So Apple has finally released the iOS 14, iPadOS 14, macOS Big Sur, tvOS 14, and watchOS 7 public betas officially. So I'm going to show you how you can install them very easily. So you don't need any computer. Well, actually you kind of do need a computer because you need to create a backup of your data. So this video is just mainly about the iOS 14 and iPadOS 14 betas, but basically you kind of do need a computer to make a backup, or if you have iCloud backup, then you can just use that. So first off, what you need to do is that you need to go to this link in the description. So I'm just going to airdrop it. There we go. So you need to go to this link in the description, or it's just beta.apple.com. And what you need to do is that you need to sign up or sign in. If you're already in the beta program, then you just need to sign in. If you're not in the beta program, then just tap sign up and just enter in your Apple ID. Anyway, what you need to do is just tap on get started. And it says guide for public betas. It says iOS 14. This is what's already on iOS 14. I'm just using it for demo purposes. So just tap on here. Tap on the arrow right there. And tap on enroll your devices. So I'm just going to tap that again. This is just released like a couple minutes ago. The website just refreshed like a couple minutes ago. So it's taking a while to load. There we go. So it says enroll your devices. So once again, make sure to create a backup via iTunes or the Finder if you're on macOS Catalina or later. Anyway, what you need to do now is you need to tap on download profile. There we go. So it says this website's trying to download profile. Tap allow, close, then go out. Tap on settings. Profile download should be on the top, and install it. Install. And it says that you need to restart. So I'm going to stop recording and I'm going to restart. Alright, so it just restarted. So we just go into settings. Alright, so then go to general, software update, and iOS 14 public beta should be on here. But I already updated to the developer beta, so I don't need the public beta anymore. So yeah, that's how you install the iOS 14 public beta. Again, you could just software update and then update from here. And you can also do the customize automatic updates. So yeah, just install it, and also make sure that you take advantage of the feedback app right here. Make sure you take advantage of this app because there's a lot of bugs in the beta, of course, because it's a very early beta. So make sure to take advantage of this because there's still a lot of bugs, and tell Apple they fixed all this stuff. And also about the macOS Big Sur betas, there's a lot of design flaws in the betas, so make sure to tell them, hey, fix this design flaw. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you later.